Right, hi everyone. So I've got here a BMW 6 Series GT. It's like a G30, G37 maybe, G30 something. So it's the equivalent of the 5 Series G30 or G32. This is a 640i, it's the M Sport, UK spec, right-hand drive. So I've got a little issue where a deer ran in front of the road and cracked the lower front grille. So been trying to fix it, and it's a lot of work. It's easy just to take the front bumper off. I had a look on YouTube earlier to see if anyone's done a video on how to take the bumper off these, and no one has that I can find. So I thought I may as well post it, as I've worked it out myself basically. So it's fairly similar to the 5 Series on the front. I think these have a 5 Series front end and a 7 Series rear end. But it's actually a bit easier than a 5 Series. You don't need to take the clips off from the grille, so the bumper will just come out. So I've taken it off on one side, but I'll show you on this side. So underneath the bumper, you have 4 screws in here. I've taken them out already. These are 8mm bolts. You'll then have the little pop out things here. Just get a little flathead screwdriver and take them out. There's one there that I haven't taken out yet, so you just get the screwdriver between them. So that's the first bit, get that done. That's not too difficult. Then you come round to your front wheel well. I took these clips out again, 8mm. That's to remove the liner. You remove the liner and you have one screw here which is vertical, 8mm again, comes out fairly easily, and that's right at the start of where the panels meet. You then have a second one a bit deeper, so about here. Now this one is really difficult to get to. I won't be able to film and do it at the same time, but it's taken me about 15 minutes just shredding my hand. You can see the cuts just from forcing it behind the wheel well to get to it. It's really difficult, but it can be done. I haven't even got the proper tools and I've managed to do it, so I'll come around this side and show you. So this is where I've already done it. So you've got to stick your hand in here after undoing the first bolt. So the first one is normally here, completely vertical, straight up. The second one is probably this one here, and that is really difficult because it's quite far up inside. And once you do them, you've got another little thing down here. Just make sure you unclip everything off the bottom of the front bumper. Then once these two are out, obviously you've got parking sensors, so you're going to need to disconnect them if you're taking the bumper off. I'm not taking the bumper off, so I'm not going to undo them, but I think that should be it. Let's see. Yeah, that is it. Once you've undone those, the rest will come off. Yeah, right, that's it. Any questions? I probably can't add any more than I already have, but feel free to ask anyway. So here is the harder to access bolt. So I've got it back in slightly. Oh, you can't really see. Right, I'm doing it up, and the way I'm accessing it, so this is a real makeshift screwdriver because I've lost the actual bit for it. Shoving my hand. Hold on. Shoving my hand in here. You have no room to work with at all. Like that, till you find the screw, but I can't really show anything in there.